MarketHealth Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to MarketHealth and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now let's get right into the review. MarketHealth is an affiliate network specializing in health and wellness products, offering affiliates a wide variety of high-converting offers across multiple verticals such as weight loss, skincare, supplements, and more. This network is ideal for affiliates focusing on the health niche and those who want to promote top-quality, high-demand products with strong market appeal. With its long history in the industry, MarketHealth has developed a reputation for reliable payouts and excellent support for affiliates. Features. One of MarketHealth's standout features is its vast selection of health-related offers, many of which are exclusive to the platform. Affiliates can promote physical products, digital products, or even subscription services, giving them multiple monetization options. The platform supports both CPA, cost per action, and revenue share commission models, offering flexibility for affiliates with different promotional strategies. MarketHealth also provides advanced reporting tools, allowing affiliates to track clicks, conversions, and earnings in real time. Additionally, they offer regular promotions and incentives, which can help boost conversions. Affiliates can receive payments through PayPal, checks, or wire transfers, with a low minimum payout threshold of just $50. Strengths. The primary strength of MarketHealth is its exclusive access to high-converting offers within the health and wellness niche, which is a multi-billion-dollar industry. The platform's simple user interface makes it easy for affiliates to navigate and find the right offers to promote. With a wide range of health-related products and effective affiliate management tools, affiliates can easily tailor their campaigns to their audience's needs. MarketHealth also offers great support, including dedicated account managers who assist affiliates with campaign optimization and strategy. Weaknesses. Despite its strong presence in the health niche, MarketHealth has some limitations. The platform is highly specialized, which means it might not be ideal for affiliates interested in promoting offers outside the health and wellness space. Additionally, the competition within the health niche can be intense, especially for popular products, which may make it harder for newer affiliates to break through. The platform's reporting tools, while functional, could benefit from more advanced features and customization options for experienced marketers. Final verdict. MarketHealth is a solid affiliate network for affiliates in the health and wellness niche, offering exclusive, high-converting offers, flexible commission structures, and excellent support. If you're focused on health-related products, this network is a great choice, especially for those who want to promote products with strong demand and proven conversions. However, if you're interested in other niches or require more advanced marketing tools, you may want to explore other options. Check the links in the description to get started. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate network reviews.